money. Next, for ng 900. Normally, itong part na 2, 3, or just starting out. Welcome to Wallet Reset, a single mom's journey to financial freedom. In this channel, budgeting feels less like a chore and more like a progress. So let's reset our wallet, steward our money faithfully, and honor God for any financial decision. So this week, third week of July, ang bilis, diba? We are going to cash stuff our money. Let's count muna ang ating cash. So I have 1, 2, 3, 3,000. 1, 2, 2,000. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 1K. 1, 2, 3. 300. Then 1, 2, 3, 450. So for the month of July, we are going to cash stuff 6,750 pesos. Okay, so we are going to start with our sinking fund. Na-discuss ko to sa last video ko na I am following the Dave Ramsey baby steps. So right now, I am focusing really on building the buffer fund. Every start of the month, I am writing down all of my targets for every category. So for the buffer fund, I'm really striving to close 5,000 for this month talaga. Pero ayun, I am keeping myself flexible. Ayoko maging umabot naman doon sa desperate mode. So, for this week, we are gonna cash stuff 700 pesos. 1, 2. How much do we have now? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5, 1, 2. So we already have 1,7. Ang kulang na lang natin is 3,3 para sa target natin. Next, medical. Sa last video, medyo malaki yung nagastos ko from the medical because my firstborn nagkasakit. Actually, ang nagastos ko last time was 1,200. In fact, yung aking budget for HMO, nilipat ko muna sa medical fund kasi kinailangan kong bumili ng antibiotics. So, for the medical fund this week, pass muna to. Pero maglalagay ako next week. Now, let's move on with 2027 to 2028 school enrollment. Still the same. I'm gonna cash stuff 400. And ang target ko for this specific month is 1,600 actually. So, let's see kung magkano na ang cash na nandito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I already have 700. Kailangan ko pa ng 900 para dito. Let's see. Next, HMO. HMO, magkano nga yung ilalagay ko with the HMO? HMO, 250. So, back to zero tayo dito. Pero okay lang yun. Kailangan din kasi talaga. Okay. As of the moment, upscale, pass muna tayo dito because I am maximizing mga free educational platform sa YouTube. Now, birthday. My target here is 600 per month for this specific month. So this week I am going to cash stuff 150. So clearly nasa half na tayo na target. So kailangan ko na lang dito ng 300. Okay. Okay. So that's it for sinking funds. Okay, so let's move forward with necessity funds. Oh, hindi ko to nasama sa tithes ko. Okay, so tithes number 1 to. Pagka nagbabudget ako, ito muna yung sineseparate ko talaga. For this week, I am going to cash off 800 pesos. So, yung cash na to, it consists of 10% of my income plus 50% ng aking incentive kung magkano man yun. Okay. So, ibibigay ko to on Sunday. Next, school tuition fee. This is for 2026 to 2027. Thank God kasi hindi nagbago yung cost ng aircon fee nila. It's still 300. So, every month, ang babayaran ko is 1,500 something. So, for this specific week, I am going to cash out 650. Okay. How much do we have now? Itong money na to is for the month of July na ang due date is August 1. So currently we have 1,150. Ang kulang ko na lang is 1,350. Okay. Next, home contribution. Okay. So yes, I'm still living with my mom. Nagtutulungan kami dito sa gastusin sa bahay, pero hindi ko po pinapash-holder yung gastusin ko when it comes sa mga bata. Kapag nagkasakit, kapag kailangan enroll or whatever needs, ako yun. Ito normally nilalagay ni Mommy for our food for the month, for the whole month, I believe. So yan siya. Pero of course, pagka nagpapadagdag si Mommy, nagbibigay ako. Okay. BDO credit card. BDO credit card for the whole month of July, it's 2,216 pesos. Ang ika-cash staff ko is 554. Kailangan ko na ito for 500. Wait lang. Okay, so binarihan ko muna yung ating kailangan i-cash staff. Wala pala talaga akong ito for 500. That's okay. For the credit card this week, ang kailangan kong i-cash stuff is 554 pesos. Hang on, I think I have 500 here. But consolidate po na natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, okay. Okay, so again, going back, 554 pesos. So, ilalagay ko na lang later yung 54 pesos. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, so 1, 1. I think on track naman tayo because ang remaining ko na lang is 1,110. Something like that. Okay, good. On track naman tayo when it comes to credit card. Actually, kung makikita mo, mayroong nakalagay dito. Ano to? Ang nangyari kasi, di ba nagpa-check up ako? Tapos, yung dinala kong pera, kulang. So, ang ginawa ko, credit card ko muna siya. Itong money na to, isasama ko to sa pagbayad sa credit card ko sa susunod na buwan. Next, SSS loan. Sa SSS loan, it's actually 1,800 per month. Ngayon, for this specific month, ang ika-cash in ko is 450. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. Oh my gosh. Kailangan ko ulit bariyahan. For how much do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 850. Okay. Good. So, 1,000 na lang. Starting next month, ang ika-cash staff ko na is 500 pesos. Okay, good. Next, Business expense, actually wala naman. Kasi wala naman ako kailangan bilhin for my work from home job. So, we needed to move forward. Okay, so let's move forward with variables. O, in fairness, malalagyan ko na siya ng laman. Okay, variables. Next, okay, so first thing is milk. Bibili ako ng maliit lang muna. Then, the following week, yung 2 kilos ulit. For my 1-year-old baby. Next, diaper. Diaper, marami pa. Fun fund. Okay, fun fund. I am going to cash out 150 pesos for this week. Perfect. Yung fun fund ko, naka-dedicate na to dun sa gusto kong bilhin, which is the LED mask. So, nagbago ulit yung isip ko. Gusto ko na pala yung naka-mask na lang siya. Para makakover pa hanggang leg ko. Okay. Next, personal care. Marami na akong kulang na kailangan ko ng bilhin. So, for this week, magka-hashtag ako ng 400. Okay, perfect. Miscellaneous, I'm going to cash off 100 pesos for this week. And then, school miscellaneous, I am going to cash off 100 for this week para lang naman to sa mga projects or so on. Ito is kailangan ko tong ilagay sa people debt. And actually, kailangan ko itong idagdag dito kasi gusto ko siyang i-separate from BDO's credit. Kasi kailangan ko siyang i-separate from BDO credit card. Since hindi ako makadagdag ng category dito, siguro magbibili na lang ako ng envelope tapos ilalagay ko siya dito para at least naka-separate. But for now, siguro i-maximize ko muna tong area na to. Okay. Okay, so idadagdag ko to sa buffer fund ko. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I already have 1,9. Kailangan ko pa rin ng 3,1. I am thriving talaga na mabuo na yung buffer fund ko for this month. Okay. Okay, so we are done with cash stuffing for this week. Ang bilis lang. Ang magandang nangyari this week ay magaling na yung eldest ko. Thank God, kasi ang sabi sa akin ng doktor, kailangan ko daw bumalik kapag hindi pa, and I will be spending like 2,000 para sa laboratory checkup and medicine just in case hindi talaga gumaling. Another adjustment na kailangan kong gawin ay mag-add ng another category for my wallet. Either i-maximize ko yung likod na to or magbibili ako ng envelope. Pero sa tingin ko, maximize ko na lang tong part na to. Itong part na to. Kasi ang kinakatakot ko dun sa envelope is paano kapag ka nalaglag, sayang yun. Knowing me, napakaburara ko pa naman. Okay, so again, if you're budgeting a tight income, paying off debt, or just starting out, this channel is for you. Please subscribe and follow along every week. Yun lang. Bye-bye!